Latchlake Mic King series contains unique patented features. Every point on the mic stand's locking system has a tension-adjustable single lever similar to that used on a mountain bike seat. They are solid, safe, and secure. The spin grip mount is a 6-inch vertical hanger. When unlocked, the hanger spins freely for easy attachment and removal of a microphone. A removable 7-pound counterweight is clamped with yet another lever lock to maintain the center of gravity and counterbalance the heaviest microphones available. The double-disc brake system utilizes the maximum amount of surface area for securing and positioning the boom arm. Built-in cord clips at each adjustment point provides a very effective cable management system. The 29-pound circular base plate's weight is located on the 16-inch outer circumference. So there you have it, superb stability within a very small footprint.